Hello viewers, once again welcome to my channel The Mystery of the Universe. Today we will discuss about why the humans are so special. There are nearly 2 million species in the animal kingdom, and out of which very little like humans, chimps, dolphins, elephants, crows, etc. are considered as intelligent than the others. But among all the various species, only the humans are developed or evaluated as the best in all respects due to some very special physical aspects like having big brains and opposable thumbs have enabled us to change our world dramatically. All the other species, small or large, are staying for themselves except the humans who not only think about their own interest but at the same time they use or utilize other animals to make a balanced world. Our extraordinary brain is the keys behind all of these activities. Our overdeveloped cerebral cortex having more lobes in a small region which represents 80% of our brain mass and contains nearly 100 billion neurons is associated with complex higher thinking such as decision making, executive control, emotional regulation and languages. Our human brain consumes more than 25% of our body's overall energy, even though it makes up only about 2% of our body weight. That means 1.3 kilo in adults. Secondly, our opposable thumbs. That means we can easily touch every portion of our palm by our comparatively long thumbs than our closest primates. This ability helps us to grasp firmly and manipulate objects. At the same time, due to fine muscle control, we very easily can do wildly different activities like all the items irrespective of category. Humans' ability to control fire have reached them towards the progress of technology and it brought a semblance of day and night, helping our primitive ancestors to see in the dark, and this invention also helped them to keep the nocturnal predators at the bay. The warmth of the flames also helped them to stay warm even in the cold seasons. Also, it helped them to cook food and thus helped human evolution. By using cooked foods, they were able to chew and digest foods more easily and had developed their feelings of modernization in the long run. Ability to create fire was a big jump for the human species towards their evolution and all over developments. Humans are the only species who covered their body by clothes because their skin are looked like more naked comparing to the other primates due to thin and short body hairs. After birth, human babies are taking more times to grow and to be matured enough comparing to the other primates. Maybe for our parents are comparatively more careful than other species. All other species have a fixed seasonal time for mating for the purpose of reproduction, and their female can reproduce throughout their life, but only the humans can copulate throughout the year, but our females have a fixed time of menopause after which the ability to be pregnant is not possible. And I think this is a blessing for our future generation. Otherwise, a lot will be there as a burden of our society without having their parents. We are the only species having a asking mind, and our endless curiosity makes us more and more creative, and thus the new technologies or modernization help us to develop or flourish at every moment. Only we have the ability of writings, and thus we can store our long historical past in a methodical and scientific way in various modes from the very beginning of our human civilization. And furthermore, we are the only species who are not only satisfied with his or her present, but they have possessed the same interest towards their past life and the future. And at the same time, our curiosity or hunger for knowing something new on regular basis impels us to know the universe beyond of our home planet Earth. But now the question arises, why we are thus blessed? There are so many species who were there in the early stage of our earth and still staying beside of us without any developments in their daily livelihood. But we all are enjoying the same facilities provided by our Mother Earth. Then inevitably the question arises, is it true that we were actually born on earth and had have gradually changed through the process of evolution, or may be a foreign species from another world? Is anybody there among us who can give the right answer? So this is enough for today's query. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and share the videos to your nearest and dearest one, and keep watching.